Mountz TBIH is a small torque wrench ideal for applications with limited space. The flexible preset wrench can be used for a variety of applications with the ability to change head configurations like an open end, box end, flare end, hex key end, or a ratchet head. Featuring a tamper-proof internal adjustment, the TBIH wrench has no external scale and must be preset using a torque tester. To increase the torque setting, turn the adjusting key clockwise. To decrease torque setting, turn the adjusting key counterclockwise. When the wrench achieves torque, the head breaks over, signaling to the operator to stop applying torque to the fastener. Do not adjust the torque setting above or below the recommended torque range of the selected wrench. Small and lightweight, the TBIH wrench is available in 6 different colored aluminum handles, allowing for color coding of specific torque values in production areas.